Welcome back. Crypto Rico here with another one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Put on that bell notification so you too can be notified when we're over here experiencing the abundance of money, man. You guys do not want to miss out. Also, do not miss out on a $100 giveaway. Simply like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, tag me and a friend on Twitter. That simple, that easy. Win $100, use the tips and tricks in the video to make it grow, or simply go spend it. None of this is financial advice. I'm bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said, out the way, let's get started. Welcome back, my FEG army. We have some correction in the prices. I also want you guys to stay tuned to the very end. I got some NASDAQ announcements that are pretty interesting. I didn't read the whole article, but I want to read it. But first, we're going to check out these prices, our supports and resistance, and possibly what could be happening in the future and whatnot like that. Right now, we're going to identify, we're going to zoom out a little bit, and we're going to take note of these supports that happen. We keep coming back to this price right here, and I'm sure on a further away time frame, we'll probably, to be honest with you guys, unfortunately, we probably could tap it one more time and make a triple bottom right here. It could be something very similar to it coming right here, and then it'll do basically, oops, sorry about that, 1 second. It's basically going to do a cup and handle right here, this triple bottom like that on a further away time frame. The way the markets are so shaky right now into Bitcoin recovers, we really can see not the best right now and far the price, but what is good that we're not going underneath this 57 mark. So we're really holding tight right here, and I mean the buyers step right back in. I don't want you guys to get shooken out. There's a lot of news coming right now. Plus I got this that I'm about to drop on this NASDAQ right now that I want you guys to pay attention to. It's going to be at the end of the video, so please stay tuned. Those who are rocking with me, you know what's up. All right, so right now we're going to identify that we are making higher lows. You know, anything can happen. If a crazy amount of volume came in, if Bitcoin corrected, and also Ethereum and BNB, this could literally turn around. It could turn around. It could not hit this support down here again and take off. It could just take off from right here. Right now we're identifying that we also made another support line right here. We had a false breakout to the bottom. Before this happened, we were over here. Okay, so this is what happened since then. We did not hold support on this line. I thought maybe we could come back to right here and then go back up, but Bitcoin pulled back all the way down to 56,000. And anybody who's been in the crypto space, I've been doing it since 2017, around there. That when Bitcoin pulls down, she is the Mona Lisa. You know, she literally controls everything. Everybody comes to the art gallery to see what she's doing. And if you're close to her in that art gallery, if there's a lot of people looking at her, the price will go up. If everybody leaves this art gallery, nobody's looking at the Mona Lisa, well, the money comes off the table and it affects everything else. So that's a little name I gave Bitcoin. I mean, it's been years, since like 2018 maybe. She is the Mona Lisa of everything. And I think it's a woman. It's too perfect. Guys, we mess up sometimes. I'm not going to lie. So we have this peel back right here. We have this triple bottom possibility right here, right? But let's identify that we're starting to make a new support. That's where we're at right here. So we're making a new support on this 57 mark. The price is trying to hold tight right here. I really hope that those who have been holding, those who bought at all-time highs, that's before I started making videos for FEG, do not worry. If you held this long, you might as well just hold on tight. This is not financial advice, of course. You're more than free to do whatever you need to do with your money. You know, you might have got a flat tire. You might need to help your kid get a car. I'm not sure what's going on in your life. You know, you got to take care of what you got to do. You got to eat and make sure that your livelihood is correct. Now, if your livelihood is good, your money is straight, and this is not burning a hole in your pocket, then I would just hold tight, to be honest with you guys. Right now, we created a higher low on this support right here. We would have to watch for it to continue and make another one right after this one. So it's not abnormal to see the price go up and come back down, because that would help us identify. You know, if we want the price to just start going up, it's not healthy, because eventually it'll pull back really hard, these kind of pullbacks like that. So a healthier chart would be this pull up, come back down to right here. I notice there's another channel right here. We're going to put it right there too. This is a 15-minute chart. Right there. And that's why, and if you notice, there's this right here as well, that we try to hold these times there and there. But those times it didn't happen and just pulled the price down really fast. Like I said, the sentiment in the market is kind of red right now. We got Bitcoin starting to correct. Ethereum is starting to correct. BNB is starting to correct. And now we're going to get to the news on the NASDAQ right now that I was telling you guys about and what they're talking about. This is very important for us. Okay, we got 7 best cryptos to buy before 2022 if you dream of getting rich. Okay, so we got something right here. This is coming from the NASDAQ. I'm a NASDAQ trader. I still have my Sterling account and also have my Lightspeed account. So this is huge coming from the NASDAQ and being on their page. So if you're part of the FEG community, I need you guys to shill this video big time. I need you guys to like it. I need gorilla ape emojis down in the comments. I need this video all over at Twitter. Let's get FEG trending because this is very big. I'm a traditional trader. I'm telling you guys, this is very big. Anything that touches this website and the names are mentioned, things start to happen. Okay, so let's read this article and see what we got right here. We got, now is a great time to look at some of the best cryptos to buy for 2022 and beyond. The reason, there's plenty of great new cryptocurrencies lovers, along with few ugly moments here and there. We know what's up. FEG is not one of those ugly moments. Just hold tight. With the recent surge in Bitcoin, BTC USD, and Ethereum, ETH USD, the cryptocurrency market capitalization has topped 3 trillion. You still don't think this is real? Although the crypto market has seen rocky times lately, the price of some cryptocurrencies has shifted dramatically. That doesn't discount the fact that several cryptos will stand the test of time. This is where we come in. The key is not getting tricked into making quick assessments and taking your time to identify cryptocurrencies with ambitious roadmaps. Recently, Tim Cook also revealed that he owns Bitcoin and he is interested in it for a while. The big players, the big institutional guys, those guys with big portfolios, they're starting to come out. Mr. Wonderful, I seen him in a video that was super old, talking like he knew everything about Bitcoin, and then like literally 4 years later, he was acting like he didn't know nothing about it. They know what's up. They've been loading their bags nonstop since 2017. When Bitcoin hit that 19,000, it shook the world. The Mona Lisa literally shook the world when she came onto the scene. So do not play these games when these guys are fudding on TV. Because although I love the Shark Tank show, although I like Mr. Wonderful, I went to go see him live in a concert in Arizona. So I respect a lot of things. What I didn't like that left a very bitter taste in my mouth was I found the video of him way before Bitcoin was really big, and he knew everything about Bitcoin. And then years later, like 4 years later, he's on CBS or some kind of news thing, and he's acting like he doesn't know anything about it. Pay attention to these small details. These big players are loading their bags all the way up. Look at all the CEOs and all the businesses. That's all the CEOs that stepped down. Why do you think all these CEOs are stepping down? You know, over 1,500 CEOs stepped down last year. They've been trickling away. CEOs from Nike, CEO from everything. CEO from Nike, MasterCard, Alibaba, all these places, all these CEOs are stepping down. Why? Well, why would you give up paid vacations, all these things, unless you're loading your bag up with cryptocurrency, and you can care less what any of these companies do because you're a big player. We're talking about MasterCard, debit card, all those CEOs stepped down. Go look it up. I'm not capping. All right, so let's continue real quick. I got a little sidetracked right there, okay? Because I don't want you guys getting tricked out of your spot while there's FUD kind of like sneak dissing almost. Like FUD, but not really FUD. Like him acting like he didn't know what it was and stuff like that. That creates uncertainty, okay? And that's part of FUD. So fear, uncertainty, and doubt. So that little uncertainty, even though I might not say that it's not going to work, but they're creating uncertainty, and that is FUD, okay? And I don't want you guys getting tricked out when these guys been loading their bag and everybody, even Jeff Bezos stepped down. You telling me he made the most money he ever made last year and he stepped down as CEO? Come on, man. All right. So we got recently Tim Cook also revealed that he owns Bitcoin and he has been interested in it for a while. There are clear indicators of wider adoptions of cryptocurrency diversifying the portfolio. In other big news, MasterCard right there has partnered with leading digital currency companies across Asia Pacific to launch the region's first crypto-linked payment cards. You guys already know the French Connection Finance, which is listed on FEGex, is already taking care of that. So MasterCard is going to have to really catch up. In general, a rally in Bitcoin is followed by a strong momentum for altcoins. It might therefore be a good time to consider exposure to some altcoins. Most definitely. 7 Robinhood stock worth buying in November. Guys, we're right there. It also worth noting that multi-fold returns in altcoins come at the blink of an eye. Listen to that. Come at the blink of an eye. The minute you guys sell out of your position, you're done. You're done. It's gone. in a blink of an eye, then you wake up in the morning and that thing just takes off to the moon. You're gonna, man, you guys do not want to do this, okay? So, with that being said, let's look at 7 cryptos to buy that are best positioned to surge in 2022 and make investors rich. We got Market Move, and of course, man, I want to get I want to hear like a rumble of apes coming to this video and sharing this all over, because we made it right here. Feed every gorilla. That is us. FEG, that's us. Do not get shooken out of your spots, guys. This is this website on the NASDAQ. You guys can come check it out. I'll leave a link down in the description below. You guys can, matter of fact, we're going to go through what they said about FEG. Feed every gorilla. FEG token seems like another name among the best cryptos to buy for 2022 that can deliver multi-fold returns. The idea behind FEG token is to provide a decentralized transaction network which operates on the Ethereum blockchain and the Binance Smart Chain. I believe that there are 2 important reasons to be bullish on this token. Come on, man. First and foremost, FEG is developing smart decentralized finance. In the last 12 to 18 months, decentralized finance has boomed. The total assets locked in decentralized finance are likely to be excess of 200 billion. With FEG intending to bring further improvements and innovations, the opportunity is significant. Furthermore, FEG is a hyperdeflationary token with a current supply of 42 quadrillion. While the supply is high, there is a continuous burn on both the Ethereum blockchain and the Binance Smart Chain. Each transaction triggers a burn rate of approximately 1%, and this will reduce the supply over time. Additionally, holders are rewarded with 1% tax on every transaction. This might not seem significant in short term, but would be meaningful if FEG token provides multi-fold returns in the next 6 to 12 months. So this is that time frame. Read in between the lines. You guys got to definitely read in between the lines. FEG project was launched in 2021, this year, and the FEG team believes that they are still at a 30% of the development work. Once more innovations are introduced in the form of the SmartDeFi, the token has massive upside potential. 110% for sure. When the SmartDeFi deployer launches and all these things start to grab traction, Bitcoin starts to turn around, the spending season comes back around, and they're playing all those Christmas jingles nonstop, and everybody just feels like buying stuff that they don't need. Gift cards will be handed out, and young new investors that know what's going on will probably use those gift cards to buy cryptocurrency, man. You guys know what's coming. Continue to come back. Experience the abundance of money with me. Till next time. Later.